access a file needed for the update League of Legends. Step 1, close everything Riot related. 1. Close League of Legends. 2. Close Riot Client. 3. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC, open Task Manager. 4. End these if running, Riot Client Services.exe, League Client.exe, any Riot process. Step 2, restart PC, don't skip. Restart your computer. After restart, do not open any other apps. Or step 3, run Riot Client as administrator. 1, right-click Riot Client. 2, click Run as administrator. 3, try updating again. This fixes most can't access file errors. Step 4, disable antivirus and Windows protection temporarily. Sometimes security blocks update files. 1, open Windows Security, turn off temporarily. Real-time protection, controlled folder access, very important. Then reopen Riot Client and try again. You can turn protection back on after it updates. Step 5, delete Riot cache. 1, press Windows R. 2, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete these folders if present. Riot Games, Riot Client 4. Go back and open. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5, delete the Riot Client folder, not the whole games folder. Restart PC again, run Riot Client as administrator. Step 6, check drive and permissions. Make sure your drive is not full, League is not inside program file x86. If possible, you have full permission on the Riot Games folder. Right-click Riot Games folder, Properties, Security, allow full control. Step 7, repair or reinstall Riot Client. If it still fails, 1, uninstall Riot Client only. 2, restart PC. 3, download fresh Riot Client. 4, install. It will auto-detect League files and repair them. Your game will not be deleted unless you remove the whole Riot Games folder. Step 8, last fix if nothing works. Uninstall Riot Client, League of Legends restart PC, install again on a new folder path, for example. You can see the code in our conversation history. Most common causes, corrupted update files, antivirus blocking Riot, no folder permission, broken Riot cache, drive errors, interrupted previous update. If you want, I can also write